Minji, why is Temu selling a whole gaming keyboard for only $5? That doesn't even cover shipping.
Because they cut out the middlemen. Instead of going through big retailers, Temu ships directly from factories in China. No extra storage costs, no retail markups, just straight to you.
So it's like buying from the source?
Exactly. But they also lose money on purpose to get you hooked.
What? Why would a company want to lose money?
It's a loss leader strategy. They sell cheap now, so you shop more later. Once enough people are loyal, they slowly raise prices or add hidden fees.
Oh no, I have been shopping more.
That's the plan. Plus, your data is the real product.
Excuse me?
Temu tracks what you click, your location, and even how you scroll. That data is super valuable for ads and third parties.
So I'm basically paying with my privacy instead of money?
Yep, cheap prices come at a hidden cost.
Looks like my personal info is the real hurt in this bargain.